क्या लगा, क्या हुआ है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
ये देखिए 120 रन्स चेज करना, दैट वाज द बेस्ट यू विल गेट अगेंस्ट इंडिया, सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम ऑफ इंडिया. तो आई थिंक पाकिस्तान केम विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग. दे हैड टू स्कोर 6 रन पर ओवर एंड इट वाज वेरी, द पिच वाज, देयर वाज नो डीमन, द पिच में कोई डीमन नहीं थे. पिच जो है ना बिल्कुल बैटिंग के लिए बड़ी अच्छी थी, पर्टिकुलरली पाकिस्तान के टाइम पे. इंडिया के टाइम पे थोड़ा ओवरकास्ट थी, पाकिस्तान के लिए परफेक्ट बैटिंग कंडीशन थी. एंड आई थिंक ये टीम में कॉन्फिडेंस, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस है और टीम की प्लानिंग नहीं है.
आपको क्या, व्हाट डू यू थिंक वेंट?
यार ये बहुत चीज़ें गलत हो गई. अब फ़खर जमान को पता है ऑलरेडी रन आ चुके हैं, 6 रन पर ओवर चाहिए. व्हाई डज ही हैव टू हिट अगेन? कर क्या शदाब क्या करा? शदाब 7-8 ओवर रन पर चाहिए थे और अब सिंगल डबल करके दे सकता आराम से. और शदाब अच्छा प्लेयर भी है लेकिन उसे विकेट अपनी दे दी. क्या कर सकते हैं अब? ये हमारी आदत हो गई अब हारने की. दिस हैज बीन अ हैबिट, जस्ट हारो एवरी टाइम, हारो बेसिकली.
Hard game. You tell me.
Yeah, it was a fantastic game. We knew the bowlers got this. Right? We knew it from the scratch.
Don't tell me. Be honest. Be honest. You know.
The batsman would have scored like 20-30 more runs, but this was perfect.
But be honest. Half time, I don't think you were that confident.
Well, we were not, but we know the wicket was not that good. It was like uneven bounce and all that, so we knew that we are going to at some point of time our balls would do a good job. That was fantastic to see.
Okay, Mukesh,
मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ लेकिन इंडिया की टीम जब करती है जीतने के लिए क्योंकि उन्होंने अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली है आज और उनका हक बनता था. पाकिस्तानी टीम अच्छा नहीं खेल सकी अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि उन्होंने 133 बनाया था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद इंडिया अच्छा खेला. कंग्रेचुलेशन इंडियन.
Okay, that's coming from a Pakistan fan. I have a couple more Pakistani fan. What went wrong?
I think Pakistan, they were doing great, but India obviously a mighty side, and they knew that how to capture the moment. They captured the moment at the right time, and they won the match.
Okay. You still reckon Pakistan can make it next round?
I think Pakistan can make it, but obviously we saw a very good side in Pakistan, the way they bowled. I think if the Hart and Shadab, they didn't click well with the bat, and I think that's made us lose against India. But India is a mighty side, and conquering them is not easy.
Okay, Mukesh bhai, take care. I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye. Okay, after India's win, improbable win I might add, especially with the way they batted. Didn't seem like India stood a chance, but an outstanding bowling performance from the Indian bowlers has given you a win for the ages, as you can see with the fans celebrating. Let me show you the atmosphere here. It seems like a festival after India's victory. Just savor these scenes if you are an Indian fan. What was the best part of the game?
I think Bumrah was the game changer today. Yeah.
Have you made her a fan of cricket after this game?
We'll be coming back. We'll be coming back. Yeah.
Okay, enjoy the festivities. What was the best part of the match for you?
Oh, gee. The last ball. We gave them a little taste, and we took it away.
Okay. Lovely to see you guys. You can see a host of Indian fans all having a lot of fun. Best part of the match for you?
Oh, it was Bumrah's bowling. He's the best.
Okay, be honest. Did you at halftime think India stood a chance?
I had big hopes on Bumrah, and he came through.
How long is the party going to go on tonight?
Oh, big long, all through.
Maybe a few days.
Oh, yes.
Came from all the way from Canada, Edmonton.
Okay.
Nice to see you.
And so money is worth, huh?
Oh, absolutely. Only Pakistan can lose this game. Yeah. No one else. Only Pakistan can lose this.
That's right.
Excellent win, good to see you.
Likewise. What was your best part?
My best part was Bumrah's bowling today. He
was really, really good, disciplined. It was a lot of rain in the morning, so they had helpful conditions, but I felt like needed a very good bowling.
When did you think India could win this game? Because they were behind the curve throughout the game.
I think the run rate, we kept it pretty much under control. So as long as, Rizwan was there, but he wasn't able to free up. And no one was able to hit. Even Iftikhar, they sent him way later. So anyway, good.
I love India. This is the best win. Amazing game. You gotta believe we're going to Barbados. We're going to Barbados.
Okay, do you remember the last T20 game between India and Pakistan in Melbourne? How would you compare to that game?
The energy, look at the people, look around you. The energy, that's what makes India the best team in the world.
Up until today, that was the best game, but this one is better.
You said this is better than
New York, it's better.
Okay, because it happened in New York, because it has the energy of New York, as the fans here are telling us right after that win. And this party, you heard it from a couple of fans there say that it's going to carry on for very, very long. Okay, I'm going to speak to a few Pakistani fans as well. Dude! Okay, I'm gonna just record these. We're recording this. This is after the game. He says, use my honeymoon funds to be here. He says, my wife doesn't know how much money I spent to be here, but don't let Pakistan, don't let me down. But unfortunately, they let you down.
You know what? I'll be honest with you. It was a great game. They played really well. India is a great team. Jasprit Bumrah's over was the key, was the one, and then they changed the game. So it was a great game. We enjoyed it.
Okay, both of you picked cricket over your wives. Now, in hindsight, do you think bad decision?
I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I live right here in East Meadow, in my backyard, to come to a World Cup match, Pakistan-India. I couldn't let this through. The FOMO just, I couldn't pass this up.
And our wives didn't even come, so I think it's a great decision.
Okay, finally, where do you think Pakistan lost it? Because they had it under control throughout the game.
I think the batting, we just couldn't form a good partnership other than Rizwan.
I think Rizwan's wicket was the key, and then in the end, the boundaries were dried up. They didn't hit no boundaries at all, so I think that's where they lost it.
Okay, do you think it's the end of the tournament for Pakistan, or they're going to the next stage?
No, most likely it is the end, because the run rate is so down, and US need only one point. Even if it rain out, they're out. So
it's tough. Even if we win both matches, it's tough, but we'll see what happens.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye. Have a good day. Come.
I wanted to say hi.
Say hi. Come. Say hi on camera.
I just want to say Bumrah chha gaya. Bumrah chha
Okay, come. Come, I'll talk to you guys. So, tell me honestly, did you think India would win the game after the score?
No. The first time.
Thank you. What do you make of the game? This is a great message here. He's saying missing guts and gurda if found return to Pakistan team. Oh my God, that's next level trolling. Tell me, that's next level trolling at the moment. But did you make it before the game or after the result?
I made it before the game. I was very confident.
but you know this. Okay.
Is there any doubt? What is this?
83,517.
Exchange rate
Of the Indian rupee and the Pakistan rupee. That's really creative. Do you work in an ad agency, do you?
I'm trying to get in one, so yeah, you can put a word for me.
Just like said, never underestimate India. Just to let you know, never underestimate India.
Pakistan played well, India played better. Let's put it that way. But ultimately,
Okay. Tell me, your poster here is so apt. with what happened today, how is it that you figured out that it will be a game where they'll be found wanting in terms of guts?
Well, with Pakistan, we know if they get under pressure, they are not doing well off late.
Okay.
So that was in the last few World Cups, right? Except for one of the Asia Cups or something like that. So that was pretty much the basis. You know, they lost against USA just out of nerves. So.
Okay, one question to all of you here. Yeah. There was a game, I covered that in Melbourne, which was a win for the ages. Yes. Compare it to that game. This one better on Melbourne.
This was the best. Who thought the 120? Nobody.
Melbourne rocks, I think. Melbourne rocks. That was
22 people from Los Angeles, and every power we gave, but the players succeeded. Here we go.
Okay.
This is it. We're gonna win this World Cup now. I'm sorry, Pakistan is out.
Pakistan is out of the
Pakistan out because net run rate is gone. Completely. Net run rate is gone. They are out. USA has better run rate, and they won 2. Even though Pakistan won 2, so technically gone. So today, when the batsmen didn't perform, the bowlers took us to the victory. I think that's the thing. We have overall strength, and we're gonna win. Best match ever. One
match ever. He says better match live.
There's never been a better match.
What about Melbourne in 2022?
Melbourne was amazing. This was amazing. India all the way.
It was a nail-biting match. Nail-biting match. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day. Have a great day. The party continues here, by the way. Listen, doesn't matter the result, you need a reason to dance. Exactly. Mumbai का भाई कौन? It says, how was the game?
Mumbai का भाई कौन? Rohit Sharma.
Jasprit Bumrah, what an amazing player. He won the match for us today. Let's go Bumrah. Come on. Likewise, man. Likewise. इस तरफ ही है हाँ
ये मैं आपको ही फॉलो करता हूँ
Okay. It doesn't matter the result, you need a reason to dance, is that so?
Yes, I need a reason to dance, and end of the day, we're all Indians. Akan Bharat, Jai Hind. Yes. When I was seen you before, you famous, yeah?
No, I'm a journalist, yes, on TV.
I've seen you, yeah. Guys, we're Pakistani, and you know what, end of the day, we have to enjoy each other's victories as well. It was a good game, that's the most important thing. Both teams played really well, good match, really good crowd.
They played really good too. They have a really good, great bowling attack, amazing bowling. It was a good game. One team has to win, but they played really good. Congrats too.
Yes,
it's okay.
Let me ask both of you. India, Pakistan always give good game, as you said. Melbourne also very good game.
I was there as well. I was in Melbourne.
So which one is better? Which is a better experience? Pakistan lost both.
You know what? We lost both games, and we was winning both. So they're very similar. But I think Melbourne, Kohli showed his class, and that was a bit bad. But today was a good game as well.
Just one message behind the game: we are all one.
We are all one.
I want to say one thing. India will win match was fantastic. I congratulate Pakistan too. They played really well.
Great win, India! Great win!
India! Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, sir.
Pleasure. It was a great game. It's all worth it.